Welcome to Rubber Duck Off-Road Garage. My name is Grant, and today we are going to be changing the oil cooler and filter housing, this assembly, on my wife's 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee EcoDiesel. I got the oil in the coolant, which is always fantastic. The oil cooler is way down there. I'm not looking forward to this. It's going to suck, but I don't want to pay to have it done, so I'm gonna have to do it myself. So it looks like it's 3 bolts that hold it on here, and then this little bracket up here, and then you got some sensors. Comes with one new sensor. Looks like you have to take the other sensor out of the old one and put it in, because I didn't get a new one. I don't know. I'm gonna get started on it, see if I get it finished today. I got a buddy coming to help me here a little later. And yeah, I feel like crap. My back hurts for some odd reason. It's because I have work to do on a vehicle today. So we're gonna get going on this, and if I come across anything that I think you should know, I'll let you know. Until then, hopefully the next snippet of this video is me close to pulling the old one out. I doubt it, but we'll see what happens.
Hours later.
Yep. All right. So the old piece of junk is out, and out, you can see down there, there's the 3 bolts down there, and the 1 bolt that holds the bracket up here, the coolant hose that had to come off back there, and 2 sensors that need to be unplugged. These 2 sensors right here. We flushed the system the best we could. Now we're going to put the new pump in. Didn't remove the AC condenser like people said. I took the 3 bolts out. I did the plugs. We'll put the new one in. We flushed the system. We have to still run it to flush the rest of the way, but we're just going to start getting it back together and go from there, because I still have to get coolant and oil and all the other crap that I'm going to probably need. Alright, so the new cooler is in. Everything is tight. I think I have one more plug on the back to plug in, but we're getting there. You can see the mess everywhere from the oil that was in the coolant. Cool enough. The new one actually came with a filter in there. Kind of nice. I'm gonna put some oil down in there though before I put oil back in it. I picked up some oil. It's draining right now. I'm gonna let it drain for a while. I'll probably, I don't know, in the next couple of days. I need to get a new O-ring for the thermostat housing. And I'm going to get a new thermostat, but I'm going to put the old housing on there without the thing in there for now, to run some stuff through to try to clean all the oil out of the coolant system. Other than that, that's it for now. It didn't take nearly as long as I thought it was going to take to get the old one out and the new one in. More time spent trying to figure out how we're going to clean the cooling system out. I saw a couple videos saying people use some people say that they've used the powder dishwashing detergent, the low sud stuff, so I might give that a try. We'll see. It's probably going to be a little bit because I'm working on some other things at the same time. But yeah, it came out easier than I thought it would and went in pretty easy. So we'll catch you on the next one when hopefully we're putting water into this thing and cleaning out the coolant system.